Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Meta AI how to delete. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete or minimize Meta AI on Instagram, what you can do is simply head over and open up the Meta AI app, and then once you're inside there, head over to your DM section. Then once you're inside your DM section, all you gotta do is simply long tap on the Meta AI conversation or chat, or just simply swipe to the right and then tap on the three dot icon and then tap on the delete option, then tap on this remove to successfully remove the chat. Or you can just simply open up the Meta AI chat and then tap on the info icon on the top right corner of the screen, then simply tap on mute option right here and mute the messages until you change it. After deleting or muting, Meta AI is less likely to appear in the search bar. You can also block or restrict Meta AI profile via its profile page by simply heading over to the Meta AI profile icon and then simply select block or restrict. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.